How to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the settings and privacy option you see there and scroll down to the content and display option you see there. Here, you will see the option for activity center. Tap on the activity center option you see there and further tap on the search history option you see there. You can then go ahead and simply tap on the select option you see there and then go ahead and tap on the select all option and then tap on the delete option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on delete again, and with this your you may like suggestions will be minimized. You can then go back and under content and display option again, tap on the notifications option and scroll down to the personalized post suggestions option and then go ahead and toggle off all these toggle buttons, that is post from people you may know, reposted by others, and posts you might like. Once you have done this, you can simply try to force restart the TikTok application by simply swiping up and exiting the app, and if required, you can also try to log out and log back in, and with this, you will be able to remove all the you may like suggestions on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.